Hey guys, it's me, the Natural Cole, and in this video, I'll show you how to make a quick and easy meal. I call it cheese chip chicken nachos because the chips are made out of cheese. My niece shared this recipe with me a few weeks ago, so I decided to give these cheese chips a try, but add a little something extra. This meal not only tastes good, but I threw in a few ingredients for the hair as well, such as kale and tomatoes. Kale is packed with vitamin A, which helps to regulate the cell production of retinoic acid in the hair follicle. Tomatoes are packed with vitamin C, which is needed to produce collagen, which makes up protein fibers in the hair. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find me on all social media at The Natural Cole. Until next time, peace.
Very cool.